in front of me is Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to locate Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Continue As or Use Without an Account. And finally, select Add Contact. Now tap on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Drag the chosen ones, and after establishing a perfect list, hit Save at the top right corner. To delete one of your contacts, use this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!